AirPods Max. These are the wireless headphones which was released by Apple recently, which cost around 60,000 rupees, not 60,000 rupees, 59,900 rupees, almost 60,000 rupees in Indian rupees. So in this video, I'll explain each and every single feature of this AirPods Max. Let's start with the physical design. The Apple AirPods Max looks like this. It got a two head cups, obviously, which are made of high quality aluminum, and this head band is also made out of a high quality aluminum, and this overhead cushion is made out of a foam, and it is made in a form of a mesh because to keep the weight of these headphones equal around our head so that we cannot feel any uncomfortable using these headphones. And when we look at these headphones only got two physical buttons which are used to control these headphones very easily, and these headphones does not got any touch controls. That is the one backup, I think. And these two buttons are useful in different ways which I will explain in the later part of this video. And these headphones are available in different colors. Those are silver, red, and black, and also blue and white. So these headphones got two head cups, and in that head cups we'll get a H1 chips, two H1 chips. One is at the left head cup and the other one is at the right head cup. And the left head cup got the controls, and these head cushions, that means these ear cushions are made out of a high quality material which can be detachable. Now a lot of users changes the head cups when they head cushion when they becomes very old or looking ugly. We can detach these head cups and attach the new ones according to our color matchings. And when we talk about the out of the box content, these headphones comes with a pouch along with the headphones, and also with a type C to lightning port. These headphones comes in a pouch which looks like very weird, and when we pick up the headphones from the pouch, they will automatically turns on and detects the iPhone or any Apple device which you have and connects to with the device. And we can use this dial and also this button to control the headphones. And these headphones got nine microphones total, and the eight of them are used for the cancelling of noise, which are acts like a noise cancelling microphones. In those eight microphones, six of them are placed at the outside of the two head cups, which reduces the noise which coming from the outside, and the two are placed at the inside of the head cups. One is at the right and one is at the left, which uses to sense the music and adjust the noise according to that music. And using this dial we can control the volume up and down, and also we can move to the forward song and backward song, and also we can attend the call when someone calls to us. And this button is helpful in switching between the active cancellation mode and also transparency mode. Now when we push this button, it activates the active cancellation mode, and we cannot get any outside noises when we are hearing music. And when we turns off this button, it activates the transparency mode. That means we can hear the outside noises without any hesitation. So this is how these headphones works. So 60,000 rupees for headphones, I'm hearing that much of cost for headphones costing first time. So this AirPods Max, if you like this video, hit the like button and also the share button.